So hi, welcome back to part 2 of the Transformers Generation Times Return Walgreens exclusive Chrome Bars Decepticon Wingspan and Autobot Cloudraker. If you watched the first part of this video, you probably are going to be like, I know a lot of you in the comment section would be like, dude, it took you so long and you didn't unbox the video. Yes, you're right, I did not unbox the video in part 1 of this thing. Of this unboxing video, but I just had to tell you, my 1,000 subscribers coming up pretty soon. I need I think 3 or 4 more subscribers. No, is it like 3 or 6 subscribers? I know it's coming up really soon. And a lot of you would probably be like, are you going to do a giveaway? I would love to, but like I already mentioned in part 1, no sponsorship, and everything's coming out of my pocket for my pocket money, and yeah, I really don't have that money, because after Halloween, Christmas is coming up. I have some games from GameStop that I pre-ordered for Christmas and stuff. I have other things that I have to deal with, like family things, like traveling for holidays and stuff. So yeah, do bear with me. Money is tight as of the moment, but would I love to? Oh my god, yeah, definitely I would love to do a giveaway, but I just can't at this time in my YouTube career. If I could, I would. But yeah, unfortunately, I can't. I know it's bad. I feel bad that I can't do a giveaway because my 1,000, subscriber is coming up pretty soon. But you gotta do what you can do, and I can't do it currently at the moment. But yeah, anyway, getting back to this. Yes, it is made by HASBRO. Let's see if we can get this to zoom in on this. So yeah, Chrome border of the Decepticon Pounce, which Pounce was like a little polar bear type of thing. And this one is a Chrome border of Fastclash. I can't remember what Fastclash was. Was he a car or was he another jet plane? Because I don't think he was an ammo for like a beast mode. He could be. I can't remember what Fastclash was. But I do know what Pounce was. That was a little polar bear. So yeah, 7 steps, 9 steps. So yeah. So yeah, let's get this open up. So again, just a couple of shouts. Dave World, you did a great job on your giveaways. Pidge, you could check out his YouTube channel through the link. Also, you can watch the same video on the tfsource.com channel. Not channel, but tfsource.com, that website where you could go ahead and purchase this and stuff. And last but not least, no, I definitely did not forget you, Jake Gray. Again, another shout out to you, man. So yeah. So you gotta shout out in both videos of this. The part 1 unboxing, with it really wasn't unboxing because I didn't unbox it, but I had to tell you what was going on today. I know you asked me about a giveaway, and now you know the situation of the giveaway. And again, shout out to you again, here on part 2 of the actual unboxing, So yeah, let's see here. Let's open this up. So we do get 2 Titans return cards in here. We do get our Decepticon Wingspan and Autobot Cloudraker. For Wingspan, let's see if we can get the stats on here. Strength is a 5, speed is a 6, Intelligence is a 9. Wow, that bird's a smart bird. And firepower is a 7. So not bad, not bad. And for Cloudraker, its stats are strength is a 6, speed is a 8, intelligence is a 6, and firepower is a 6. So, oh my god, did you just realize that? He has 3 things and 6s. 6, 6, 6. This is the devil Autobot. That's why Cloudraker is the devil Autobot. If we look at the stats, strength 6, intelligence 6, okay, and finally firepower 6. So we have 6, 6, 6, triple 6 right there going on, you know. Which, don't know why they did that for the Autobot. I mean, if they did it for the Decepticon, that would have made a lot more sense. Because it's evil Decepticons. Versus, the rolling Autobots! Yeah! But, yeah. So, yeah, that's what they did. Don't know why they did it like that. I mean, if I was in charge, I would have been like, Decepticon, 6 to 6, that makes sense. Autobot, no. But, yeah, that's just how HASBRO decided to do it. Here's our little instruction sheet. Each side features instructions for one character. So this one, Cloudraker. On the other side is for Wingspan. So let's get our little Titans figures out here. I mean, cutting them out, it's pretty easy. I like how they're doing this nowadays. Instead of the little twist ties and the paper twist ties, it just makes it a lot easier to get to the actual transformer fitters. So I guess we should do this in order. So we're going to go with, let's move him to the side a little bit, with Wingspan. Now he has a pretty good head sculpt that's painted and stuff. Now on the chest of both of them, they kind of have like the old school G1-ish slash somewhat of the Beast War era web symbols. Like right there is supposed to be a web symbol. You can see it slightly. I mean, the web symbols, they don't really work that good. A lot of people say, you know, don't weld them, just blow them with your breath. That works faster. Would you want to use a hairdryer set on high or medium? No. But again, if anyone knows about the web symbol, they don't work. But you still can see, you know, it's fashion, which is kind of like a little bird right there, ish. On this one, definitely it's a Autobot. Now you think this one would show a Decepticon, but no. This one shows a bird. This one shows an Autobot because it is an Autobot. Now I thought that there's... Oh no, I'm wrong. This one shows a little jet on its chest. Because if we kind of look right here, we kind of see, like, there's the Autobot, there's the jet. And, they really don't have anything for Wingspan over here. Yeah, if we let the back here, like, we can see much clearer. There's the bird, there's the Decepticon logo, there's the Autobot one, there's supposed to be the little jet logo. But again, their web symbols, they don't really work that great. Posability, can they stand? Yeah, they're standing right now, so obviously. Movement. Head can rotate, although you do see the hollowness of the head. Arms do have full rotation, in out. elbow bend, and of course full rotation there. Stuff. Blades can go forward, but they can't go back due to the tailpiece transformation. They can go out to the side and they can bend, but of course the bend is for somewhat of the transformation. Now, I mean, if you move the tailpiece out of the way, it can bend a little bit more backwards, but it kind of stops. So don't worry about it with the tailpiece there. So how do we transform him? Well, just keep his arms down to the side, as saying, and fold them up like this. Kind of like that. And we'll take his little bird feet around. Like that. Okay, now next thing, turn his legs around. So you kind of want to twist the legs around like that. And then kind of put him down like this and pull the legs out for the splits. Fold down these little wing flaps here. Like that. Now they're not saying it, but there is a little tab here that should lock into here. Yeah, so just bring them up and make sure you lock it into the tab there.